Do you think you can solve this problem? If you do, go ahead and pause the video now and try it on your own. And when you're ready, go ahead and lock in your answer in the comment section. Otherwise, let's go over it together. The equation x minus 5 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 20 defines a circle that lies in the standard xy coordinate plane. The line with endpoints 9, 0 and a, b is the diameter of the circle. What is the value of a? So they give us the equation of a circle. So we definitely want to know the equation of a circle so we can identify which parts are which. First, we want to notice that this 5 over here is going to be h. This plus 2 means that k is going to be negative 2. And this 20 is the same thing as r squared. When dealing with the equations of circles, h is always going to represent the x coordinate of the center of the circle, and the k value is going to represent the y coordinate of the center. Because we know that r squared is equal to 20, we can go ahead and find out that the radius is going to be equal to the square root of 20, which also simplifies down to just being 2 root 5. Let's try to visualize this. Here's our xy plane. I'm going to estimate the center of the circle to be about here. And when we're told that there's an endpoint at 9, 0, that's on the x-axis, which would be right about here. And here's a circle with that center of 5, negative 2 going through that endpoint of 9, 0. We know that the diameter of the circle goes from 9, 0 to a, b. So if this would be the diameter of the circle, then a, b must be located over here. Let's zoom in on this a little bit. Taking a closer look, we know that this point is 9, 0, this point is 5, negative 2, and this point is a, b. Given that this is the diameter of the circle, that must mean that this is going to be the radius, and this is also going to be the radius. This center is also going to be the midpoint between these 2 points. So to get from the one endpoint we know to the center, we know we're going to move down 2 units, and we're also going to be moving 4 units to the left. So that must mean that the other endpoint from the center must be also down 2 units, and then 4 units to the left to keep that same ratio. So if the y coordinate of the center is at negative 2 and we're going down 2 units, that must mean that this b value must be equal to negative 4. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in first. And then if our x value of the center is going to be 5 and we're moving 4 units to the left, that's going to bring us to a new x value of positive 1. So when we're being asked for the value for a, we should go with e. If you feel like this video is helpful, you can let me know by just tapping that like button. And hopefully in the future, you'll be running circles around problems like this.